Have you ever wondered how to add a dependent data validation for completely dynamic data, irrespective of the sequence in which added or irrespective of the position in which added to the master list? So let's deep dive into this. I'll show you a sample here. So here I have a table called key value, and the key stands for the category and the value stands for the subcategory. And based on the value which I choose in category, I am expected to get my subcategory. So for example, in this case, I do have rel, oracle and java for the license, and since I have chosen license here, I got my rel, oracle and java listed down here. The point is, rel and oracle were added on the top, and the license and the java is added at the end. So irrespective of the sequence in which the user has added this, you will be able to see the list getting populated here. So we'll show you how to generate this dynamic list, and this is going to be a completely robust solution, and we can cut down many complications over the name manager. Stay tuned for the video, stay connected in the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.